guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Neem. Today, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng prime and composite numbers. Alright, alamin muna natin kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng natural numbers. The set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on are called natural numbers. Natural numbers can be divided into prime numbers and composite numbers. So ito ang pag-aaralan natin ngayong araw, yung prime and composite numbers. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng prime numbers? Prime numbers are natural numbers greater than 1 whose only factors are 1 and itself. Ibig sabihin, ang isang prime number ay isang natural number na mas malaki kaysa sa number 1 na mayroon lamang factors na 1 at kanyang sarili. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Let us look at this table. I have here number 2. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Okay, sabi natin kanina sa prime numbers, ang prime numbers daw ay may factor lang na 1 at kanyang sarili. Okay, so same with number 3. May factor lang ito na 1 at 3. Ganon din sa 5 na may factors na 1 and 5. Ganon din sa 7 na may factors lang na 1 and 7. Ganon din sa 11 na may factors na 1 and 11. Right? Again, ang prime numbers ay natural numbers greater than 1 whose only factors are 1 and itself. Let's move on to composite numbers. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng composite numbers? Ito naman ay mga natural numbers na greater than 1 with 2 or more factors. Kanina, diba, sa prime numbers, ang factor lang niya ay 1 at kanyang sarili ng number na yon. Okay? Dito naman sa composite numbers ay may factors na 2 or more. And it is divisible by more than 2 numbers. Ibig sabihin, kung ma-divide mo ng walang remainder yung number na to sa dalawa o higit pang mga numbers, ito ay composite numbers. Okay? Examples are 4, 10, 9, 8, 6, 12, at marami pang iba. Okay? Let us look at this table. I have here 4, 1 times 4 at 2 times 2. Ang factors ng 4 ay 1, 2, and 4. Diba? Mas marami ng factors ang composite number. What about 6? 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. What about 8? 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Diba? Mas maraming factors ang composite numbers kaysa sa prime na ang factor lang ay 1 at kanyang sarili. Pag sinabing composite, mas maraming factors. What about 9? 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. What about 10? 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Right? Ulitin ko, pag sinabi natin na composite numbers, ito ay ang natural numbers na mas malaki kaysa sa 1 na mayroong 2 or more factors. At ito ay divisible by more than 2 numbers. Again, kung madidivide nyo to sa dalawa o higit pang numbers na walang remainder, then it is a composite number. Alright? Remember that number 1 is neither prime or composite as it has only one factor. Okay? Kung natuto, paki-like naman ang video na to and please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat